Okay, so first I want to make sure on C I can see my exponents. So the rule when I have an exponent term raised to another exponent term is I multiply the exponents by each other. Not the numbers, the exponents by each other. So I'm doing 1 times -3 and -2 times -3. So 2 to the -3, p to the +6. On this one, after I multiplied the exponents, it became positive. That's why I like to deal with the negative exponents at the end, because if you have to do it at the beginning, you never know what's going to eventually have to go back and whatever, right? So I just like to do each piece one time, okay? Now this time, it's the number that's going to move down, not the letter, because the number is the one with the negative exponent. So p to the 6th over 2 cubed. Good? Okay. Okay, let's try this one. 3 to the 1st. So now exponent raised to another one. So I multiply my exponents. So 3 cubed r to the -3. And then move my negative exponent down. So 3 cubed over r cubed. Did I go through fast to that one? What? Did I go through fast to that one? I think that's what I just said. It's up to you. You can type that in your calculator and get the number if you want, but because we're learning about exponents right now, I don't care either way. And Canvas will take both as well. I'd take both on a test. Yeah. Good? Okay, let's try the last one. There's nothing I can do on the bottom, right? So I'm just going to leave that. Do I add, subtract, multiply, or divide those? Good job. I multiply those exponents. So x to the +4 over 3x to the 1st.
Then you can only have one.
Can only have one x, so I got to do something. So how do I combine them?
Would you move one up and then turn it into x to -1?
That's a good idea. You can think of it that way. There's 2 ways to think about it. You can think about it like moving the x up and making it x to the -1, or you can think about it like subtracting using the quotient rule. Either way, you're going to be minusing the 1, right? So either way, I'm going to be having a 4 and a -1 that I'm combining, and so it should be x cubed over 3. Any questions? Okay, before we move on to our last